Welcome to this walk around video. Today we do have this lovely Land Rover Defender 110. It is on a 73 registration, 2023. Now, as you can see, this car does come with a lot of optional extras, factory fitted, and all the urban exterior styling, which we'll go into more detail throughout the video. So the car's finished in Santorini Black metallic with all the other black detailing. So you do have the wheel arch extensions. Moving on to the urban bits, you do get the urban bonnet and the side vents in gloss black. Fixed side steps, and you do get this lovely urban light bar which goes across the whole of the roof. You also have the urban 22-inch alloy wheels in gloss black, complemented with the painted blue calipers. You can see you've got rear privacy glass. As we move around to the back, you do get the urban spare wheel cover and the urban spoiler as well. You do also get the electrically deployable tow bar, which I'll demonstrate later. If we open up the back, as you can see, this does have the third row seating, which do just pull up like so. Of course, you do still get the checkered styling, which is reminiscent of the old Defenders. Moving into the rear, so this car does have the full ebony, leather and robustec interior. Then you do get the sliding panoramic sunroof with the side glass panels as well. Does have the 4-zone climate control throughout. If we move into the front, so this car does come with the electronic air suspension pack and the family pack, as well as the cold climate pack. You do have your Meridian sound system and your memory functions to both the driver and the passenger, which of course are both fully electric seats. You have the full interactive driver's display, along with nice little features such as the heated steering wheel, adaptive cruise control, of course all your nav, wireless Apple CarPlay, 3D surround cameras, etc. through the display. As you can see, there's your air suspension settings. Car does also have matrix LED headlights. See, just a lovely car. It's done just under 3,000 miles. So there you have it, nice little rundown of this 2023 73 registration Defender 110. As you can see, it does have all the urban bits on it. For any more information on this car, please do contact us on 01423 33 1133. Thank you.